Hi guys! For today's video is anniversary namin. So, ang nangyari nito, ayan, nasa labas kami, sumakay pa kami ng train, 2 transfer pa yan ha. Ang layo pa ng napuntahan namin, tapos nakapangbahay lang talaga ako guys. Oh my god, hindi ko alam, akala ko kakain lang kami dito sa tabi-tabing malapit sa bahay. Yun pala, magda-date kaming 3. Eugene, look up! Hello! The Sunway Velocity, ang ganda. Tingnan nyo naman kung paano bitbitin ng asawa ko ang anak namin. Ayaw kasi maglakad. Tingnan nyo. Oh my God. Opening soon. Let's go. Where are we going, Eugene? So happy. Oh, you need to walk now. We're inside the mall. Walk. Oh my God, I don't prepare about this. Kaya kami kakain, I don't know, BBQ or Kia. No, parking area pala yan. This is part of the Sunway Velocity. So guys, dito daw kami kakain. So guys, ito ng aming order. May kimchi soup, tapos unlimited ang barbecue dyan at saka yung pork na para sa hot pot. So, 35 RM ata to. So guys, let's eat!